All right, let's share the technique for our functional rotation layback warm-ups. Let's start with functional rotation first. Again, if you watch surfers every morning, or if you watch golfers or swimmers or people who really get this rotation through their torso, I'm so glad that nature designed us to do this. Imagine if we could just do this. And as we age, we tend to lose that rotation. That's why older people tend to waddle. So we really need to stay loose through the side waist area. Now, there's a few things. If you're a yogi, we want to turn you into a surfer. We want to kind of share how we do things surf style. So you can follow me. I'm going to start with my hands to the right, and I will turn my back to you, but this is my right. Now, I'm kind of wound up, not emotionally, physically I'm spring-loaded. And I bring my hands back here, but I'm staying loose. I want my hands to be like a whip, slow motion whip, and my body follows the hands around. Now, when I'm going to get in trouble here is if I don't turn my feet and I keep my feet facing the same direction. A lot of yogis do that, and I don't want you to hurt your knee. So from this place, let's do it together. We're going to do super slow-mo, like Bionic Man. Slow. Turn. Turn. Now as my hands go by the heel, it comes up, and my toe actually moves from facing towards the ocean to over here towards the river. And I end back up in this position where I was. And it's really simple. I just go side to side. Shh. Shh. Slow. To the right. Shh. Feet turn. Turn to the left. Shh. Now, why am I making that funky shh sound? Because every time I go shh, the martial artists know it. This is your hara. This is your energy center, of course. When you kick or punch somebody, that's what you do, shh, make that sound. However, there's a real practical application to it. When you do this, shh, you actually do what we call intra-abdominal pressure, and you actually help to stabilize the lumbar spine. Because if you're too mobile when you do that last whipping action, especially if you're a more loose person, then your lumbar spine goes like every time it goes too far. So we got to kind of put on brakes. Plus it helps us to get power. What you need to imagine is that, I'll show you from the front, when your hands go around, you bring your knees down, that if you're on a surfboard, you'd be throwing your hands like this. Your surfboard, the back of it, so imagine there's a wave right here. Your surfboard would be going around, and you bring that knee down low to really slide your tail. Now I'm going to go to the right. When you do it, if you mirror me, you're going to go that way. So I'm not mirroring you. Okay, so I'm going to the right. My heel comes up, and I throw the hands. It's not aggressive. It's really just like, yeah, man. I throw. And I throw. I don't know if it helps you to visualize this, but imagine you have a string with a ball on it. A string with a ball on it. So I'm going to go to the left. Breathe in. I'm going to throw my hands to the left. You can do it too. And string in a ball. To the right. And just like chill. But it's powerful. I just get that nice. And in the process, every time I throw my hands like this, I'm going to lengthen muscles in through here, my obliques. All right, that's our foundational pattern. Now let's add on. From that foundational pattern, we're going to add in for our first one we do, a layback lunge. Karate chop something. Now play that in reverse karate chop. Left hand, karate chop something. Now lead with your thumb in reverse karate chop. Now, What this is really in yoga terms is Anjaneyasana. So if you don't know our Blissology alignment, don't lean back to get the stretch. Go forward and up your back foot, like there's a high jump bar under your shoulders, and you're trying to press this left hip forward, lift it up so you get the stretch in here. That stretch will support you when you do the movement. This is an extension of our Blissology alignment to bring these alignment principles into movement. Now, aside from that, I need to add a side bend. So my chest goes forward and up. So I end up here. And just see if you can see the difference between here, which is like suspending yourself off the stretch and the tension in the front body. Tension is not a bad word, it's what you want here. Versus if I just go too far and I go back, then when there's no supportive tension in the front, I get compression in my lower back, and that's just not the joy that we're looking for. So let's take it from the top. Hands go to the left. You're seeing me from the front, so your hands will be over there. Now we're going to go slow, 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 and just park it with the right hand on the right thigh. Did you notice that my, maybe not with the sand, but did you notice that my back heel came up? And then I bring my chest this way, forward and up. So you're going to bring that to the front left corner of your room, and that goes forward and up from your back foot. And then you arch back, arch back. Your hand goes back, but your chest goes forward. I'll say that again. Your hand goes back, but your chest goes forward. If your chest goes back with your hand, then you're going to pinch your lower back. All right, let's do it again. Throw your hands over towards the left. Now I'm going to reverse karate chop that left hand over the head, lay it back, and then bring it back. Now you can do, if you're a bit more loose, you can really bring that left arm up. If you have a sore back, if you're not quite so open, just park it with the right hand, right thigh. But if your body lets you in, and it will over time, so don't rush these things. Play the long game, don't hurt yourself, and day by day, inch by inch, row by row, I'm going to watch my garden grow, your body. It will open up. Take your left arm over the head. And what I'm saying is if you want to, maybe your right hand can come down towards the floor. So do one more. I'm going to turn now so you can see it from the back. Don't change directions. We'll be doing the same thing. Okay. My hands are going to the left, so are yours. And we'll do it slow-mo. And we follow the hand. Just do it super slow-mo. Follow your left hand. Now jump almost from your feet towards the right. Go forward and then up. And as the hand goes back, your chest comes forward. And if you were on a surfboard right now, you'd be making so much damn spray on the wave. It would just be going shh. And it feels so awesome. And then back. Let's try our other side. Oh. By the way, physically, you should feel tons of opening through the thigh, quadricep, and the oblique area when you get that movement right. If you're not feeling that, you got to press forward and up with your feet. And again, press up into the stretch and lift your pubic bone in the front. Okay, let's go the other way. Can I face you again? And then I'll do it in the back in a second. So my hands are going to the right. I'm not mirroring you, so your hands are going that way. And we'll go slow. I just want you to find your layback lunge. Right arm up over the head, slow. What's your foot doing? Want to watch? Your foot is pressing yourself forward and up. So I'm pressing towards a wall right here. And then as I press into that wall, I go back. And what I need to do is not worry whether my hand touches the floor, even though I said you can put your hands on the floor. Just stay up high and feel that nice stretch. Or if your hand does come down, awesome. And then back we go. Again? Sure. Come on through. Low. And there's a grace to this. Up. And back. Now as promised, I'll show you from the back and we can do it the same direction 2 times. Don't rush it. Hands go to the right. Follow it through. Like surf an air current with your right hand. And then right arm up. And then back. Shh. All right. Inhale in. Exhale, make the sound. Shh. How good does this feel? And back. One time, full speed. We'll do it 3 times, each leg. Good. You are cleared for takeoff. Lastly, we're programming our hormone system for like surfing our way through life. One of our core philosophies in Blissology is why bob around through life when you can surf. So get loose, man. You are not stuck at a desk. You are not in foot straps. You don't have this like wetsuit on you that's 2 sizes too small. Bust it out and we'll get these movements going. All right, we'll start with our hands to the right. And here we go 3 times. Breathe out. Inhale in. Here we go. 1. Shh. 2. Shh. Last one. 3. Shh. And go side to side. Just go side to side. Just chill. 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 Stop with the hands to the left. 3 times. 1. Lay it back. Shh. 2. Turn your feet. Shh. 3. Shh. Oh man. Oh man. Now I hope that, again, whether you're a surfer, snowboarder, golfer, hockey player, or you just want to dance and go through life with freedom, that you feel the joy of functional rotation is what we call in Blissology. Just that ability to not just statically stretch, which is good also, but a more dynamic stretch that translates through how we move in life. Because we are into sustainable movement, we are into joyous movement, we are into celebrating our joy bodies, and it's been a joy to share this layback functional rotation flow with you.